How to log into Bswift employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with, and on the search URL, type in Bswift employee login. Then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. Now, from this interface, head over to the first link that says login Bswift. So click on that first link. Then you'll be taken to the login page. And as you can see on your left hand side, you will get a login box. So first of all, enter your valid username and under that enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link to recover your password that says forgot password. Click on that, follow some instructions and that will help you out to recover your password. Now once you're done typing in your username and password, click on login button and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you can log into Bswift employee account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.